in the middle of the lake.
Nirmala.
And also,
Chabimura also.
yes, next.
More destination. Then Chabimura. Two palace, water palace in India. One in Udaipur, Rajasthan. Second is
I've been in Udaipur.
yeah, Udaipur in Rajasthan, and second in
Able to
Yeah,
visit
but
one
why
place.
I have no time
Because,
going to Unagoti is very far.
yes,
very far.
by car it's 5 hours,
5 hours.
one way.
No, no, five.
Yes. Not hotel food.
ตกลงมีโฮเทลฟู้ด
คือwe went last night, right? Chabimura.
And we have to go by boat. So it
Yes.
is completely one. And it is
Amazon.
These sculptures are of what, our gods or the sculptures, pictures of what?
goddess is there, goddess Durga is there.
Goddess
Goddess
Durga
are
and you have a goddess around.